Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a package from Gan. This is the 10-year anniversary puzzle package. I don't know if these are all... Yep, okay, that is different. I thought maybe there was just extras, but this is a whole thing. I don't know what's in here. They told me they're sending me it, and then I have avoided looking around at maybe if other people have had something similar. And it just says 10, there's verses, there's people, 4.25, 4.74. Maybe one day I'll be in a package. I don't know what to do first. I'm going to go to this one first. Because I took a sneak. Okay, the Gan 356 iCarry 2. Oh, that is a really nice bag. It's the same sort of bag, because I have a green one that was a specialty Gan transparent. So this is a transparent. Oh, that is nice. There we go, activated. This is, so I love the iCarry. Honestly, I like the iCarry more than the 12. This is my new favorite thing. I mean, I know my times might be worse using this than the regular iCarry just because of the transparent colors. This is one I will carry around. This is one I'm going to bring to school. This is one that's just going to be a ton of fun. Okay, I'm just going to put that to the side. We have a really cool just core. Does it actually work? What is this thing? Can this come out? No, that's just the holder for the core. Oh, I can already tell with the bag, with the caps. There was only one puzzle that I saw that had these caps. Is this the new Gan 15 with that plastic? What is that? What is this? Is this like a display box? Don't know what this is for. Display box? Well, this is the new Gan 15. Ooh! I didn't know that you could store that in there. Is that a new thing, or is that always like that? It just sticks in there. Well, for those who don't know, transparent plastic, this is not WCA legal, especially since I can see the blue through the red like that, or the blue through the white. But it is fun. I love just cool looking things. So let's do some solves. Wow. That's better. That's better. Auto, whatever, Apple thing. Okay, I don't know what this thing was for. Oh, it could go over, but that's... Do you know what this is for? Let me know. I missed something in the bottom of the package. We pretty much just got Gan playing cards. The Gan 12 Maglev, got the 356X, the 11M Pro, the 12 UI, and the XS. And these are fairly thick cards. Like, are these all of them, or are there other models as well? And some people got some and some got others. I'm not sure. That'd be really cool if there are all these different ones, but I think it's like the major jumps. The Gan X was 2018, XS 2019. GAN 11M Pro was 2020, 12 maglev was 2021, 12 UI was 2024. I mean, I'm missing some years in there. Let me know. Other than that, this is cool. It's not useful in a competition, but it's cool. It's fun. And as you can see, I like fun. Something that I could bring and have people just mess around with. They can see what the inside looks like a bit more than other puzzles. We got some sparkles throughout this. Just a nice little novelty puzzle. So thank you. Thank you, GAN, for sending this over. I appreciate it. This is going to be fun to use. I'm sure my students are going to love playing with them and checking them out. Not during class, though. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be for sale or whale. If this is for sale, I'm going to have a link to Speedcube Shop, wherever that is. If maybe GANs will just have it on their own personal store. But if it is at their store, I'll have a link to that as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following Speedcube Review for more news and reviews.